Occasionally, when attempting to open Maya files, such as those included in this channel's tutorials, you may find yourself working with an older version of the software than the files being provided. While we recommend upgrading to the newest version of Maya for the best features and performance, sometimes this isn't possible. Notice if we attempt to open this Maya 2012 file in Maya 2011, Maya loads an empty scene with an error. We can work around this by turning on the Ignore Version option in the Open Scene window. Now Maya is able to open the scene. Note that all aspects of the scene may not remain intact, depending on the specific differences between the two versions of Maya. In more complex scenes, this technique tends to work better with .ma files versus .mb files. However, to maintain maximum compatibility, we recommend that you use the FBX file format if at all possible. You can do this from the File, Export All, or Export Selection menus. If FBX doesn't appear in the drop-down of exportable file types, make sure that you have the fbxmaya.mll plugin loaded in the Plugin Manager. Maya exports your scene contents to an FBX file, which ensures maximum compatibility with not only Maya, but other Autodesk products as well.